What's up guys, it's Tommy here, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be unboxing the Dudios Zeus wireless earbuds. I did get these sent to me for review. These earbuds are very inexpensive while still claiming to be premium. And if these earbuds are what they claim to be, I will be very impressed. There will be a link in the description below if you do decide to check them out. I will be doing a full review on these wireless earbuds after a couple days of using them. So be on the lookout for that video. If you are watching this a couple days in the future, that video has probably already been released. I will put the link in the description below if you want to check out the full review. Having said that, let's get into the unboxing and see what comes with these earbuds. Alright guys, so I think you guys have looked at the front of the box long enough. On the sides, we just have 4 symbols here, which just say for music, for game, for movie, with microphone. We will be trying all of those out in the review. If we turn it to the right, we have nothing. We turn it again, and we'll see some text which reads high fidelity sound. If we turn it again, we have nothing. And then on the back, we just have some contact information with some features right over here. Having said that, let's go ahead and open the earbuds. We do have our top-notch badass knife right here. We do have some plastic around the box, so we're gonna go ahead and try to cut through that with the scissors and go ahead and peel that off. You go ahead and back up the camera. So here we are. This slides off like this. So there's that. We are greeted with a quick start guide. Along with the quick start guide, we also have a 12-month warranty on the bottom. Let's go ahead and put that to the side and check out what's inside the box. So it looks like we have the carrying case right over here. We'll go ahead and lift this piece up like that. And then now we have all the stuff. So here's the carrying case. It looks pretty nice in my opinion. Very stylish. We have a user manual. We'll go ahead and put that down. Let's see what else we have. So here we have some air tips with some cord clips, which is pretty cool that they include this. One thing I will say is that I am impressed by how many ear tips they come with to ensure that one of these will fit your ear perfectly. It does also come with this little plastic piece to help keep the cord organized. And then we do have one more baggie right here in the box, which these are ear fins. Let's go ahead and open that up. It comes with a ton of ear fins as well. Very impressed with all the things that are included with these wireless earbuds. So there is that, and actually that's the last thing in the box. So I do think that the earphones themselves are inside of the carrying case, which they are, along with the charger. Go ahead and check out the charger real quick. So here is the charger, pretty lengthy. It is a USB to micro USB charger. And then we also have something else right here, which is a little clip. That's pretty cool, they include that. I'm surprised by how many accessories they include with how cheap the price is. That's pretty cool. These are magnetic, so that you won't lose them, and then you can also wrap them around your neck without them falling off. Very cool. Here is the remote wrapped in this little plastic thing. So here is the remote itself. This is one advantage about wired Bluetooth earbuds, because obviously true wireless earbuds will not be able to have this, and this remote does come in handy quite often. So here are the earbuds themselves. I really do like how they look, real stylish, black on black. But that basically sums up the video. Full review will be out in a couple days. I am very impressed by how many accessories these earbuds come with, especially for the price. These are extremely cheap. I believe right now they are $26.99. Again, link will be in the description below if you are interested in checking them out. Having said that, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Follow me on Twitter at TommyEverything, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.